हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 8 का माय इंग्लिश बुक 8 3.4 द टू जेंटलमैन ऑफ वेरोना। इस लेसन के इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग। उसमें फर्स्ट है क्रोनिन स्टोरी फोकस्ड ऑन selfless help and the importance of dedication towards relationship. The narrator ... encouraged the two brothers. तो आंसर है the biggest basket of the wild strawberries. The narrator develops a liking for the two brothers because they are ... आंसर है innocent, serious, pleasant and earnest. 4 number है the boys wish to visit the village Poleta to ... Answer, meet their sister in the hospital. 5 number, so one can conclude from the story that ... which means ... Answer है where there will there's a way. If we are determined to do something, we will get it done. Solve the puzzle of words from the text. The clause are given below. यहाँ पे क्लॉज दिए गए हैं, हमें पजल सॉल्व कर लेना है। सो फर्स्ट का आंसर है देखो फॉरबिड, सेकेंड है रिवियल, थर्ड वर्ड है, फोर्थ वन है प्लेजर, फिफ्थ वन एर्नेस्ट, सिक्स्थ वन रिजेंबल। Question 3. Answer in your own words and write in your notebook. Question. What illness did the sister suffer from? Answer. The sister suffered from tuberculosis of the spine. Question 2. What surprised the narrator when he saw the brothers the second time? Answer. When the narrator saw the brothers the second time, they were shining shoes in the public square. It surprised the narrator. Question 3. What did the narrator find out the boys at the hospital? Answer. At the hospital, the narrator found that boys were orphans and homeless. They worked hard for the treatment of their sister, who was suffering from tuberculosis and was admitted in a hospital. He also saw the girl who resembled them and they were talking to her. Question 4. What was the touching story told by the nurse? Answer. The nurse told the narrator her touching story of boys. Their father was killed in a war and their home was destroyed in the war. Their sister was suffering from tuberculosis. They lived in a shelter and literally starved so that they could pay for their sister treatment. Question 5. If the narrator offered the boys a large amount of cash, would they have accepted it? Say why or why not. Answer. If the narrator offered the boys a large amount of cash, they would have accepted it. The boys were really hardworking and honest. They believed in their work. They would get help to get work from the writer but not cash, as they were self-conceited, or even if they would take it, they would take it as a loan and would repay him back in installments. 4 number, read the text and find the noun from the following word used in the text. इनके नाउन हमें राइट डाउन करने हैं। इम्पोर्टेंट, इम्पोर्टेंस। सेकेंड है डेडिकेट, डेडिकेशन। ट्रीट, ट्रीटमेंट। नैरेट, नैरेटर। eager, eagerness। appear, appearance। amplify, amplification। realize, realization। लैंग्वेज स्टडी दी गई है, आपको एक बार रीड कर लेना है। First, they pay for their sister treatment who suffered from tuberculosis. Answer, main clause है they pay for their sister treatment. Subordinate clause है who suffer from tuberculosis. Second, when he asks the nurse, she tells him their story. Main clause है she tells him story. Subordinate clause है when he asks the nurse. Third one है they have shown that war has not shaken their spirit. Answer, that है यहाँ पे आंसर में मेन क्लॉज they have shown. Subordinate clause है that war has not shaken their spirit. Question 4. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there. Although है यहाँ पे main clause he take them there. Subordinate clause है although it doesn't come in the narrator way. यहाँ पे वर्ड प्ले दिया गया है, आपको एक बार रीड कर लेना है। इसके बेस जो क्वेश्चन है उसके आंसर देख रहे हैं हम अभी। होम, देखो होम इज वेयर द हर्ट इज, अदरवाइज इज जस्ट अ हाउस मेकिंग मेमोरीज दैट स्टे फॉरएवर, स्पेशल विथ योर लव्ड वंस। उसके बाद मदर वर्ड है यम, मिरेकल ऑफ लाइफ, ओ आउटस्टैंडिंग, टी टेक्चर ऑफ लाइफ, एच हार्ड वर्कर, ई एंडलेस लव, रेडी फॉर एवरीथिंग। उसके बाद टीचर है टी थॉटफुल, ई एनर्जेटिक, ए अमेजिंग, सी केयरिंग, एच हेल्पफुल, ई इनकरेजिंग, आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल। यहाँ पे स्पूनरिज्म दे दिया है, आपको रीड कर लेना है। ओके, थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ। इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा।